What is up, guys? Oh!
If I could just put the
What is up, guys? This is part 2.
So I could see what I recorded.
This is part
So
2.
basically the same thing.
And why do I have my flashlight? I don't know, but okay. No, watch out! No, watch out, baby love! Oh, bro. Hey, bro. Look at the smoke, bro.
Go put it. Wanna go put it?
No, but bro, go help him. Go help him right now. Go help him right now, bro. Go help him right now. Don't worry, my dad is a trained professional, and a bunch of you. There's no stage to showing you guys this. Buddy.
They're calling him Lazarus.
Can I do it?
Grandma, wasn't there
Can I do it, Papa?
supposed to come today?
Yeah, Flores.
Yeah.
Flores.
Still?
Here, grab one.
Still?
Grab one.
Still. Lazarito. Who was able to record so I could go do it for me? Who's able to record for my channel? So I could go and get one. This is a good angle, bro. Why do I have my flash on? But it's alright. It's good for the flash. Whoa. Whoa!
Oh, so this one is rain dance.
Hey, no, bro.
No wonder why it looks like a rain.
I'm sorry for my cousin. I'm covering the camera.
No wonder why it looks like rain.
What the?
Wait, that was called a rain.
That's it!
It was called a rain dance for.
Heck no, bro. Oh, heck no, bro. I'm gonna do a little one.
That wasn't so.
Papa, can I do one after this one?
Going inside.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Oh, stay out here.
Papa.
I'm going inside.
No. Let's go. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, that is cardboard. Wow. That is cardboard, bro. Oh, that's cardboard, bro. I'm sorry, my catch is on fire, bro.
Out of curiosity, nothing on that thing is flammable?
Nope.
Just the cardboard.
Can I do it?
What the?
My guys, we're cooked.
Mommy, I'm recording.
Looks like we're cooked. Get it?
Oh, yeah, we're cooked.
Get it? Cooked.
Yeah, we're cooked, I think.
Get it? Cooked.
We're cooked. We're cooked.
The cardboard is gonna burn us.
Papa, we're cooked.
Cooked.
No, we're cooked. I want to do one, Papa.
This one's called
Papa.
Astro Lightning.
Papa.
Down this world run for
Papa.
Want to light one up?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Yes.
Record for me. Record for me real quick. Show me. No, Papa, I wanted to light one up.
Wait.
Okay, hold up.
Go to the next one.
I'm letting my brother record me after this one. And this is crazy. We got two lit up at once, bro. I don't know how to. Hey, bro, baby, lies. You're crazy.
This is amazing.
Oh, I'm sorry for the late.
Wait, is there more? Oh man,
Oh, my.
you guys missed
Oh, heck no, bro. No, bro. You guys record for me. On my channel. This is to be Elijah's point of view.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
I'm cold.
this is my mom. Okay. Love you. Okay. Asus, run! Asus, I can't see! I can't see caca!
It's my phone.
You wanted me to hold it. So also no.
You only need to record. That was not fun.
Sorry. Thank you for recording, man. Why the heck is it unlocked? Okay, good. I should have. This is the firework that I did. Why am I unlocked?
What didn't let you guys do what they wouldn't say that?
Yeah.
Why you was saying what you mean?
Fine, you're recording yourself. Stop.
Baby, let's go now.
Look.
Rabbit? The one that's smoking. The one that's smoking.
Dude, all of them.
I had the one that was smoking.
Bro, all of them are smoking.
No.
Caro, wait for Tio.
Buddy, wait for
Who's that?
Tio.
No, who's that?
Someone that we don't know.
Y pregúntale.
Oh, heck no. I'm a savage right now. I'm close to this thing. Oh, no, I'm not close. I'm not even close to this thing, bro. I'm not scared at all.
Why were you screaming at the beginning of my video?
Yeah.
Pretend I wasn't screaming.
That's it.
He left the lid. Todo around.
Could you stop that, please? Stop ruining my video.
It's not my fault that you want
Elijah, please.
No, todavía están
I'm about to
calientes.
take your phones away, both of you.
What
Las
the?
cajas están calientes.
Oh, no. Oh, no. This is my cousin's. My cousin point of view. I'm not close to it. I'm just zooming in on the camera. Look what my cousin doing right now. Boy, took off of my dad. Little boy took off on him. That boy took off on him. He turned the jets on. Oh no. Papa, back up. Watch out, bro. Look how close my is to that thing. Bro. Oh my god, bro. My cousin's about to do another one, bro. I'm scared.
Baby, last, look.
Baby Laz, look.
No, esto moneándose.
Baby Laz. Baby Laz. Look.
I want to take a picture.
I want to see a picture, buddy.
Look.
Hey. Look at Grandma.
Now, why do you have to move?
Like you're both here.
Mira. Y Tio no, so you're taking a picture. Tio's not going to light it.
Back up. Just on. Over there. Some jets on, bro. I gotta get the point of view from the lodge, bro. I gotta get point of views. Sorry, I know what it looks like, bro. You gotta know what it looks like. I wish I could just like flip while it's recording, but I'm recording off of a phone since I don't have a real camera.
And this one. What's that one?
Bro, I'm scared. I'm scared right now. We're out here we're out here.
Cuidado lo que está abriendo, Baby Laz. ¿Qué es lo que está abriendo, Baby Laz?
Be careful
No voy a
what
hacer poppers de eso.
Papá.
Sienta uno en un dedo, se me quema el dedo.
Oh. Back up.
1, 2, 3.
Esas son las granadas.
Yo, what the heck? Bro, that sucked. Bro, that firework. Bro, that firework. Man. Look at the fire coming out of that thing still. Back up. Oh my god. Like that.
You both can grab one.
I have to
You
record
both
bring this
can
to
grab
the.
one.
Hold on, I think it's Jesus's turn.
I already went.
You already went?
Right. Doesn't it see me go?
Oh, okay.
I already went. Before you came outside. Before you came outside again.
You make it a mess.
But now it's my turn. It's my turn. Okay. Last, you gonna record?
No, I'll hold it. I'll see my knees for you to.
Dad, he's coming. Dad, he's coming.
You got a firework? You got a firework?
Mira. Baby, let's get one for Jesús. Tú lo estás dejando a ellos coger y mira al otro, mira. Give me that, baby last. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh, we got two. No.
This.
No.
Give me the box.
No. No, he's destroying the box. He's destroying it.
No, the box is already done. So many years.
He destroyed them.
He didn't destroy them, papi. Todos
What's the
estaban
box?
así.
Yeah.
Give tío the box. Vaya, llévaselo a tu papá.
More
Vaya.
fire and morning glory with
You have to wait. He's lighting something up.
What's this? Watch
You
out.
just take it to him. He will figure it out.
I'll take this one.
Get over here. Don't go nowhere.
Stay over here, buddy.
Snowman.
He's out here. The high point of the high point of, okay, now. Ah! I was about to throw this firework at him.
Alright, your turn, go.
All right, take it to dad.
I'm scared now.
Just go.
Imagine it just, I just go down there and it just start popping. Ah!
Raúl, le toca a Jesús. I know, I'm waiting for him.
I already got one.
Bring it.
Go over there so before he lights.
Red light one.
That's it. There's no more.
Rod?
I'm scared. Stop lighting.
Move
What
back.
happened to his box?
Todas estaban así, es que cachadas.
O él las cachó todas las.
Bueno, Jesús dice que él Baby Lan las escachó. Yo pensaba que todas estaban cachadas de tantos años.
No las estaban cachando.
Back up, back up.
Back up, guys. Oh, take that. You see it? Oh, let me see. Let me see. Oh, God, I'm covering up the lens. Thank you, Mommy. water bottle.
What the hell is that? What you did to that box?
Get away.
Get away! I love you turn on the shit. I want to go in there right now. Papa, I want to go in there too. What the into the box. Take him into the box.
Porque mira, este estaba enganchado y estos son dinamita. Elisha, take this to your dad. Come here.
We're doing this on New Year's Eve, bro. It's crazy. We're out here in dark. And you can see it's literally dark. Literally dark outside. My cousin acting crazy. He ain't crazy about him. I know this is a long video. How long until we're done with these fireworks? These are really these are for use.
Baby laugh.
Back up.
Stop moving. No move. Don't move. Say cheese.
Don't. Look at grandma, bro. It's crazy, bro. Oh snap! I wasn't even recording the over there. I'm tripping. I'm recording like this, and I was supposed to record like this, and I was recording like this. So.
Oh! Grandma, look!
Oh snap! I'm dead, bro. What happened?
Frozen!
What happened?
Blue!
What happened? Things was on fire. Things on fire.
Come here.
Something's
Stand over here.
that.
Mira. Stand over here.
We don't need. Papa.
A little bit further.
Papa, what the heck? Papa, what the heck are you doing? This guy's gonna seriously do that and throw it, bro. You're crazy, Papa.
Oh!
Back up! Back up! Papa, I would not take that risk and throw it, bro. Throw it! What's up? Throw that stuff, Papa. Bro, you're crazy, Papa.
He's trying to win it. Don't be a part of it. No way.
This man is a big. Oh, heck no, bro. What the heck? Oh, that was a cool firework right there. I wish I caught it right now. But I'm not catching the clout. I'm not catching the case, bro. It's reporting just so. And I'm sorry. I said I was doing part 2 of the zoo, but I didn't because I didn't have enough time. So I'm sorry about that, guys. Are you kidding me? What the? Papa, back, guys, back.
There's one more box up there. Give it to grandma. Grandma, una caja ahí grande.
What the heck, guys? I see a light right there. Is that a? Oh no, that was just. Okay, that was just a reflection of the car. My bad.
Oh, don't hit her head.
No.
There's a church right there in front of us. And we got snowmen up here.
Did you curse? Relax.
Is that in the profanity list?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Okay, no, just one at a time.
Guys, back up! Guys, you don't listen, bro. I say back up and then just go running over there. No. That car, bro. The car. Crash course. Come on. Here.
Fast. He's doing first one.
Okay. This one is called Crash Course. Baby laugh.
Mira, mira, mira. Who told you to run over there?
Come on. Back up, baby, let's back up.
I don't want you running.
No! No! Papa, go like this. Papa, like this for me, please. No. Hold up, hold up, hold
No,
up.
no, relax. Mira, Jesus' turn. Elijah, you have to wait. That's yours.
No.
That's yours right there.
That's
My turn.
No, it's not your turn.
on my back. No!
That one is yours.
No, look at this, bro. I'm scared, bro.
All right, stop.
That's what Big Ben.
Jesus' turn.
Here.
That was Big Ben.
Papa, you can take my turn here. Papa, I got one.
That's his.
Papa, you can take my turn here. Here, Papa.
Hold on, let me pick some of this trash up.
You can't take
Alright, bro. No, the girls. Fuse. Oh, it's not freezing it. Caution. Rules only under close adult supervision. Outdoor. Use only place on level of surface. Surface do not hold it in hand light and get away. Warning.
Can you guys see? Have to pee.
Just hey yo, baby lads.
Have to pee.
Okay, go use the restroom. But don't say what you need to do out loud. I'm recording you, bro. Yeah, she's watching this stuff. As a matter of fact, everybody watching this. Here, Papa here. Here, Papa. Here. Stop scared.
That way.
Okay, here.
Mommy.
Here.
Go. Go.
Scared.
Why?
The why even
Your daddy's not going to light it up until you don't move from there.
I'm gonna light it up. All right, I give you 1, 2, 4. 1, 2.
Back up. Back up.
What?
This is yours, Elijah.
Hey, light that up. Hey, light that up. I just read. Thank you. What's up, girls? That's my vet. I ain't lighting it up yet. That's all. I got 3 seconds to come and run up. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at him. I had 3 seconds to come and run back up. Stop, guys! That's burning the floor, bro. That's burning the floor. Back up, buddy. Put that on the ground. Who the heck is that, bro?
It's my turn.
Elijah's turn.
Is that a school bus right there?
Yours is here, waiting.
Where?
Right here.
No, it's just.
Right, Elijah's turn first.
But y'all, these structures are recording my video.
Elijah's first.
It's morning. It's morning.
It's his turn.
What?
This is crazy fun. This is great. Hey, back up! So you doing running over there? Scary. Back up! Guys, baby, let's come! Here. Here, I'm staying up here. Here.
Now your turn now. This is
Okay, I know. I'm just starting. Okay.
turn now.
Oh, what? Stop reading my video, guys. Stop it. Oh, such a monster. stuff. Actually, you guys don't know what I mean, but I don't mean anything.
This is the first year we throw fireworks with those things on?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yo, we should have just took it off. We should have just... Oh! What the... Yo, what the heck, bro?
A veces nos quema la casa.
Yo, I wish you would have just saw that, bro. Yo, there's air that looks like drones flying.
La queman y se van para allá, para aquí, para jugarla.
Papá, here.
Tráigame los 500.
Papá.
Tráigame los 500.
Te tienen que dar lo que está avalado en el value.
Papá, here. This called the trolley. This thing is called the trolley.
Te tiene que haber llegado un value de cuánto es.
It says trolling. Warning. Yeah. Yo, I'm scared. Papá, here.
I think. De lo que me dijo el loco este.
Back up.
¿Qué dijo el loco este?
Baby, let's get over here.
Cubanito de atrás lo que están
Oh.
Lo de la esquina. ¿Lo viste?
Guys, hold up, bro.
La de la casa de la negra que se quedaron los trabajadores con ella.
Put it straight up. No, burn the house. Burn our house, bro. Burn the church, too.
Teníamos con ese loco. Get out of smoke, get out of smoke.
Yo, I'm covering my shirt. Dang, bro.
Wait, you just
I'm
went.
fogging up
That
my
one there
camera.
was yours.
I'm fogging up my
And Sue has his
Fogging up my camera.
hand.
fogging up the camera, bro.
Over there?
Smoky over here.
Are you gonna go over there?
I'll help you.
No, baby, lads. I got it.
Nazarito, don't touch him.
It's helping him.
Sure, Papa.
Come on.
Sit.
I will help him.
No, come on. No.
Carefully. Jesus, be careful with the crap.
Nazarito, let him go.
Oh! What the heck? I hope Jack said that.
You should record and send to your dad. Mira lo que está tirando Raúl. ¿Viste?
Chat, did you get that? Chat, did you get that? Come on, make sure that's Chat, did you get that? Wait, so close.
No.
Tío, lo que tengo miedo de verdad que queme la casa.
Chat, tell me you got that. Tell me you got that. Guys. Chat, get that. Whoever that person was is rich.
Yeah, those shits cost $150 a box.
You go smoke. I got it. You go smoke.
It costs $150 a box.
Bobby, go smoke.
Están quemando casa.
It's the baby. Let me let back up.
Están quemando casa.
It's the baby. Let back up. It's the baby. Let back up, bro.
You're in the middle of your own video.
He knows that.
Baba, go.
It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn, Grandma.
Oh, I'm about to say something's on fire. Look, Elijah. Look, stand right here. Stand right here, Elijah. Hurry.
And Sue,
Ah, baby, I gotta put your stuff.
I want to stop.
Baby, you're not gonna see it.
No, you gotta stop him right here.
he has to get on the sidewalk. Ponlo para allá para la sidewalk un momentico. Can you wait?
Do you guys wanna go around the corner and watch them blow those things?
It's my turn.
Ahorita viene una bola.
It's my turn, Grandma.
Ahorita empieza, ahorita nos vemos guardando.
It's my turn.
You have to wait.
That's usually what the.
Why is my hands white?
I didn't leave.
Ahorita sacan pistola.
Why is my hands
Okay,
white?
share
Oh,
camera.
baby, that's right.
Cut my
Why is my
camera.
hands white? My hands white.
Yo, don't give him your hand.
Why is my hands white?
Papa.
Baby last.
Baby last, bring it.
Papa.
Why were you eating my hands? Why were you?
Oh my goodness, Elijah, please.
No.
Boom.
No, Grandma. I'm scared. I'm about to give me an actual camera. I'm about to ask my
Ya,
dad.
ya se le gastó. 6 balazos ya. 150 pesos, 6 balazos.
Ah, está preparando la caja.
Just.
Yeah, I hear it. I hear it.
Oh, a hard rock's gonna start throwing. ¿Viste?
¿Eh?
The hard rock's gonna start throwing, mira. You got the light on.
They always have the light on.
No, that means it's not, remember, these are fireworks.
They always have the light on.
That beam? Yes?
Guys!
No.
Bro, what the heck are you doing? No, that's green, bro. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look, bro.
Sus,
What?
look, you smoke.
I know it's smoke. I'm not looking, bro. Let me look when I edit my video, bro. I'm gonna edit when I. Let me... No! No! Shut it up. Am I really still recording? Oh, yes, I am. I'm sorry for the mess up. I'm sorry for the acting. Bro, I'm gonna get me caught, bro. I'm gonna get me caught, bro. I'm gonna get me caught, bro. Throwing fireworks. Ooh, they look scared.
Oh,
Look at this shit.
dang.
Look at them sit. We throwing WW fireworks. Let's get throwing W fireworks.
Yo, Smokey.
Yo, yes! My turn.
No quiere caminar para allá.
I'm not going up there. I'll go up there. I'll go up there.
Bueno, mommy has to hold the phone for you.
Mommy. Mommy. Papa, I have one.
You have to wait.
No, that'd be fireworks. No, that'd be fireworks. I'm still right here, but I gotta go up there now. After the fireworks, which is scary, bro. We got a lot of smoke, bro. We have a lot of smoke. We have a lot of smoke. Like if we're Papa, roll it out,
Stop
bro.
jumping. You have to wait. It's Jesus' turn.
Okay, get your
It's Jesus' turn.
Get your shoes.
Jesus got it already.
I gotta put it in.
No, bro.
Not yet. You have to wait. Lazarito.
Bro, I gotta go up there.
Fire, fire.
I gotta go up there. Hey, baby, lad. Oh. I got it.
I hear it.
Papa, I'm ready.
Ellos están tirando la caja, ¿no? Remember those square boxes, right?
Uh-huh.
Whoever who's shooting fireworks out there, that was amazing.
Those are like $100 boxes.
Guys, I'm trying to get my. Look at that. We got it. So, I'm gonna miss W's. W's. Well, Yeah, buddy, Mr. W. Baby, let's get out of the way real quick, buddy. Shoot, buddy. I wish I could run over there, but I can't. Just look at all these treasures. It's good, bro. I can't even get on the. I can't even get over that. Wow! I'm sorry, I'm probably not even scared. No, I'm probably not even scared. Y'all, 4 subscribers, I'm probably not even scared. Got 4 subscribers, not even scared. I only got 4 subscribers. Not.
It's my turn.
You guys probably not even scared. I got 4 subscribers.
Dale, give it to me.
What's that? You guys are just savage, bro. You're going up there and recording, bro. Happy New Year! I had to do.
Put the hat. You have to put the hat on.
I know.
And the glasses.
I know. Happy New Year! Bro said Merry Christmas. Bro said Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! Merry Saintmas!
Happy New Year.
Merry Saintmas and Happy New Year!
It's Elisha's turn. Elisha has one in his.
What the heck? Merry Saintmas and Happy New Year. And I said Merry Christmas for nobody.
El que mira el video de aquel se vuelve loca porque es así.
What, who, me?
Both of you.
Both of them?
Just gonna look at that video of a half an hour.
Of half an hour.
Yeah, you've been at it. How long? How many minutes does it take?
Since 37 minutes.
Huh?
37.
That's a long video.
I know that. That's not the.
Hey!
Hey, buddy! You're running off without you, bro. Crazy, bro. Keep going, running up. Running before you. Oh my god. You guys can look, bro. I'm scared. When I see these flowers, I get scared and my eyes start closing on myself. That's all? Aw. After this is my turn, and I don't know which one to choose. We have the poppers?
Huh?
Do we have the poppers?
The little poppers to put on the ground?
Yeah.
No, those are TNT.
I think they should say TNT on them. Oh, they all say TNT. I think we missed them. TNT.
Rain dance.
Mine says bright fire. TNT. Everything's TNT. I want to show you guys Mr. Hey! Baby, let's come back! This guy's gonna get burned. Back up!
What's that back?
You're gonna get burnt, bro.
I'm not burning.
You guys, you're gonna get burnt on you.
I'm gonna go trash my phone quickly.
What happened?
I'm gonna go trash my phone quickly.
I thought you were gonna be recording, bro. But I'm recording still. This is gonna be a long video for you guys. What the heck are you doing here?
Where did they go?
Here.
I don't know.
Elijah wants to go charge his phone. And they want to go baby Elijah.
So, ready or not?
Here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What happened?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, do it.
Yeah.
You want to go over there?
I'm scared.
It's my turn.
No, it's my turn.
There's two over there.
That's you did. See, my, bruh. Oh, figure. He went before baby last. He went before baby last. Bro, he went before baby last.
Mira dónde está el otro sentado ahí abajo.
Baby last! Stop real, bro. I want to go. Elijah, how is that your turn? Yes, you did. Before baby last, you got to open it. What? What's that? That was my turn to go. That was my turn to go. Go.
It's burning!
Now is your turn?
Yeah.
No, not your turn.
It was a what?
Here.
What the heck? Bro, that is.
You have to wait.
Why did
One
you
is
not?
him and now I have
Let's not fair, bro. Let's go back to bowling, bro. Let's throw stuff.
Bow, 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 bow.
Now it's my turn? Now it's my turn?
¿Ah?
Now it's my turn?
Creo que Elisha va a ir para allá.
Oh, he just went. What the? He just went.
What are you doing down there?
I go high.
No.
Baby Laz? You're okay. What? Look at you. Look at this man sweating. Look at this man. Man sweating, boy.
Get here, be
Who's
careful.
Whose car is that? Who's that? No, my arm itches, Dana. This one is called Gold Dust. That's it here. Smoke away, dude. Ah! Ah! Stop, Elijah. Stop, bro. Where's my video?
Come back.
Somebody. That was my turn. Here.
Dale.
Mommy. Mommy.
It's his turn.
Papa, I'm going up now.
All right. Waiting on you. Waiting for you. Waiting for you.
Mira, llegó la pressure.
¿Qué fue?
Es de la casa. Hablando de la pressure.
Let's see. The workouts. Ah. Alright.
Turn around so I can give it to you.
Yes, get it. Yes, get it. Repeat, back up. Man, spin, man. Spinning.
Right, got more?
It's my turn.
Bless you.
That's it.
We got poppers?
No poppers. Elisha, vaya.
We don't got no
No,
poppers.
just one.
We don't got no
that to
poppers.
Theo.
I want the poppers.
Oh, he said a bad word.
Theo.
Papa, I'm recording. Friendly, bro. Hey! Vanilla, bro. Smoke, bro. It's bad.
No.
It smells like barbecue. Ew.
Fire in the hole.
No.
Don't
What's
smell
what I
it.
mean?
Theo's lighting another.
It's foggy here. They can
It's
see my
foggy.
camera.
I don't see nothing funny.
Baby laugh. Remember?
Nah, off the ground.
My bad, guys. I'm tripping, bro. I'm not
No,
recording.
quedan 4 cajitas.
4? Wait.
Elisha,
Bro.
Yes.
come on. Which one you want? Grab the one you want.
Oh my god.
Dale.
Let's take that.
You want one, Jesus, to take it over there?
Yes.
Which one you want?
I'm scared. I'm scared of this one, bro. It's crazy.
De todas maneras, you're not even lighting them.
Give me mine.
Okay,
No, bro.
Theo's gonna do that one. Then it goes Jesus, and then you come back.
Yes, buddy. This is called 5 in Morning Glory, dude.
Get back, get back.
Get back! No, that's Delaware, bro. Hey, yo!
Head game.
Hey, yo! I wish I was recording.
Demórate en caminar más para allá. Elisha te dejó una cajita ahí.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. It's 5 in the morning stuff, for real.
Leave it there. Take one.
This is best.
Whatever.
Papa, what does this do?
Nothing.
Nothing?
They're old, unless that one's alright. You see that one?
Ya lo quemaste todo con esto, ya.
So,
Ya no quedan más ninguno, ya. That's good. Pues en cualquier momento íbamos a cogernos allá afuera, iba a pop uno de esos. Stop smelling that.
stop smelling. See, mommy.
Get away.
Mommy. Can I go now?
No. Still on. Guys, get
Guys.
away from the table.
Bro, spray that one with water. Papa, don't mess with them, bro. It's gonna blow up. Actually,
That's it?
There's 2 more boxes here. There's 3 here, and Jesus has
No,
one.
I'm trash. No, that just
Jesus.
makes smoke.
I have one.
Let's put away.
What happened?
No, it's
That's trash?
Yeah, it just makes smoke.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, these suck. They just don't smoke.
Back up. Oh shit.
That's all today, folks.
Folks,
What you got there? See what you got there?
5 in the morning.
That's all.
All
Right.
right, we're good. Joyride. Joyride.
I'm actually gonna go blow my nose. Don't fire, fire!
That's the same thing.
Give it to Jesus.
Look.
It's done. We're done. ¿Eso qué es? Chequea lo de Jesús. That's it. That's it. There's nothing. Leave that one. Mira. Give this one to Dio.
I still haven't did my turn.
Hey, come here.
I still haven't did my turn here, bro.
You see?
Smoke, bro. What is Simon?
Sí, that's it. La caca.
Everybody wants Simon.
What's
Take
it?
it out of the box.
Grandma,
Why'd you take that out of the box?
relax, back up.
To be honest.
Tell back up. Ah! No.
Elisha, the door open.
I'm close.
Vamos, que lo que hace eso.
Go
Ahora
ahead.
You saw it that you closed it.
No.
Cuidado. You really doing it in your hand?
This is the stick. There's something called morning light.
Really,
Morning
Raul?
glory.
Can you get away from the kids with that stuff?
Yo, what the fuck?
Nazarito.
Put that thing in a box, bro.
You make sure it's pointing somewhere else.
Why did you know? There, bro.
Yo vi un video en... ¿Te acuerdas? Es que la bombita que se viró para acá adentro y se formó el corre-corre. Cuando la casa la vieja.
Here you go. Sus.
Pasó uno en Facebook. Lo pusimos
Mustache,
en
bro.
la
Mustache, bro.
y hizo así, se viró. Y
Elijah, back up.
empezó a darle a la gente en el porche.
No! What the?
Ya te cansaste.
¿Tú te recuerdas cuando Johnny bought those sticks? Que tiraban. ¡pum!
Ah!
Y empezó a tirar a los foster kids.
Yeah, exactly like you said.
DeAndre's watching this, bro. Actually, I know DeAndre's not watching this. I have something. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna say, but okay.
Mira.
Bro, my thing is foggy. Blurry, man. Bro, what the heck is my dad doing, man? Let's see what the heck he's doing, bro. Just play with the light.
Oye, after the last one?
¿Qué? Lighter.
There's another one. Baba. Baba. There's another one in the kitchen, dude. Baba, stop messing with that. There's another one in the kitchen, dude.
That's it. It's over.
There's another one in the kitchen.
No, not. Yes?
Yes, there is.
It's cake time!
Is it cake time?
I'm doing it away.
Your mommy's gonna get the cake?
Stay tuned. Guys, this is probably the ending of the video.
Alright, everyone. You know what time it is.
Turn around so I can take a picture of you and
Hold up.
Baby Lass, turn around. Stand next to her so
Stand next to me, bro. Stand.
I don't see.
Can you see me?
You choking him.
I'm not choking you. I'm not choking you. Look at
1, 2, 3.
that, bro.
Your mom went to go get the cake?
No, he don't get the cake.
Yo, bro. Oh! Yo, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you at the end of the video. Peace. Peace. Peace.
Lo único bueno es que la ayuda.